Hello dear friends and welcome to Little Readers Rwanda. This is me, Keza. Friends, I know most of you love storybooks, but have you ever thought about making your own storybook? Do you know how you can do it? If not, don't worry. Today we are going to read a book that will help us know how to make your own storybook. Are you ready? The book is entitled How to Make Storybooks and was written by Ross Asquith. Let's start with a flowchart. A flowchart: ideas, planning, writing, editing, illustrating, covers, making, enjoying. How to Make Storybooks by Ross Asquith. First, you need a good idea for your story. Will it be a funny story? Will it be a sad story? Will it be about dogs? Will it be a story about cats? Will it be about sports, dancing, or music? Maybe it will be an adventure story, or a ghost story, or a detective story. Perhaps it will be a funny and sad and sporty and scary story. When you have your idea, you can start to plan your story. Make a list of the characters who will be in your book. The characters could be animals, pirates, aliens, or they could be you and your friends. It's your choice to make a list of the things that will happen to them. Think of a really good way to start your story, then think of a really good ending. Then work out the bits in between. You can change your beginning and your ending later if you want. Make up a good title for the book so other people would want to read it. Writing. Now you can start writing your story. Don't worry about making mistakes. What's important is the story you have to tell. You can write it out again later or type it in the computer. If you change your mind about anything, you can. It's your story. Editing. When you have finished your story, read it all the way through. Do you think it's good? If not, make some changes to it. This is called editing your story. Ask someone else to read your story. Do they think it's good? Make some more changes. Ask someone else to check your spelling or use a dictionary and check them yourself. Illustrating. Do you want some pictures to go with your story? You can ask a friend to do them, then you can do their pictures for their story swap. Or you can do your own. It's up to you. Now you have your story and your pictures. Covers. What you need next is a good cover. This is very important if you want other children to pick up your book and read it. Write the title of your book on the front cover. Then put your name as the author. On the back cover, you should write something about the book. This is called a blurb. Making. When everything is ready, you can make your storybooks into a storybook. You can make it into a zigzag book, a stapled book, a sewn book, or even a funny-shaped book. Your teacher may help you to glue your story into a big book. Enjoying. Now it's time to enjoy. Friends, did you learn how you can make your own storybook? If yes, write it down in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.